It's October, which means we have another month of real estate data in the books. Historically speaking, September is an unusual month in the world of real estate as summer is closing out, the school season is starting back up, and job transfers for the most part begin to slow down a little bit. So I wanted to look at Brevard's real estate market and see how September treated us. In today's video, we are going to be analyzing single-family real estate data from September 2017 to September of 2018. I chose the price category between $0 and $500,000 because, as we know, the median sales price in Brevard County is $200,000 to $300,000, and I wanted to provide the most amount of input and data to show the trends so you guys can see what is actually occurring. Additionally, if you saw the poll that I posted on my Facebook page earlier today asking which specific area in Brevard County I should look at a little bit closer, it was between Titusville and Satellite Beach. Thank you to those of you that participated in the poll. A whopping 72% of you wanted to see Satellite Beach data covered. So after I cover the county as a whole, we're going to be looking a little bit closer at Satellite Beach. If you're ready, let's go. You can see from this time last year, there has been a 10% increase in what is actually for sale in the county. New listings are up 40%, which means more people put their property on the market this year than they did last year in September. I also noticed that September has been the lowest month when new listings have entered the market so far in 2018. As you can see from this time last year, for sale listings are up 10%, new listings are up 40%, and expired listings are up a whopping 80%. This is clearly demonstrating a saturated market, which is resulting in expired listings. In terms of contracts, September 2018 outperformed September 2017 by 68%. This means that October and November of 2018 should outperform October and November of 2017. It looks like the median asking price has slightly increased from $235,000 just up to $240,000. Not a drastic change. We're also seeing a slight increase in days on market from 41 days in 2017 to 43 days in 2018. As you can see, sales are actually down 2.5% when comparing to this time last year. Something else I'd like to point out is if you look at March all the way to August data, those months performed very well, and there was a drastic reduction from August 2018 coming into September in terms of overall sales. One of my favorite data points to look at is the average sales price compared to the original list price. As you can see, the county holds pretty strong right there around 95%. The median sales price is up almost 10% from $196,000 last year to $215,000 in September of 2018. Satellite Beach is showing a significant increase in the available for sale listings. There is a minor decrease when it comes to what is actually selling. However, under contract listings are way up from this time last year by 33 units, putting it at just over 235%. The sales price when compared to the original list price remains pretty steady in Satellite Beaches throughout the county at just under 95, putting the current median sales price at around $310,000, which is up 5.5% from this time last year, which was $294,000. For the most part, sales in Satellite Beach have remained around the same, selling inside of 3 months. So after comparing September 2017 with 2018, we saw a slight reduction in terms of sales throughout the county. However, we did see an increase in for sale availability, not to mention new listings that have penetrated the market in September. This has resulted in an increase in expired listings in September. However, we saw a good increase in property that went under contract, which will hopefully make up the difference in October and November of 2018. We also continue to see an increase in the median sales price throughout the county by just under 10%, which is great news for homeowners out there. If you're paying attention and you're a buyer and you notice the original list price to sales price model, it's a 5% window. So if you're out there shopping, keep that in mind and just know that there's more than likely probably a 5% negotiation window in whatever property you're considering purchasing. Thanks again to everyone that participated in the poll. I really appreciate your engagement and getting involved and helping me direct the content for this video. Keep up the shares, the likes, the engagement, the questions, everything about it. I love it. Shows me you guys are paying attention and you're enjoying this, and I'm going to continue producing it. So have a great day, and I hope you learned something.